Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro PRIMASTARTRAFIC2700CDTI EcoFlex Spares OR Repairs Open Mouth Smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 154,866. Engine, 1598 cc 1.690 PSS, SE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine is 100% is all good. Gearbox and clutch is all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.